Hello and welcome to Southwest France. It's been a couple of weeks since our last video. Basically, we've not put one out because all the work we've been doing has been quite boring. But now we're in a stage, I'll update you on what we have done and what we're doing next. So over the winter time, myself and Reg have been working very hard putting a new slope in down to the pool area, and we put another couple of circular sunbathing terraces. So we've been laying the walls for these over the winter time, and we just finished in the last couple of days putting the concrete down for the far one over here. So this is how the pool area is looking at the moment. This circular terrace and the one down the end where the mixer and Dan is will be a sunbathing area. We've put in a retaining wall to keep the soil in place, and we are going to be laying the pavy. We hopefully have got enough for one circle and the path down, and then we'll have to go and get some more for the other one here. So we're currently at the stage where we've laid one of the circles, the right hand one as you look at it, and we've probably got enough pavy to lay part of the path. So we're going to finish off laying this pavy today. How little did I know. So we've laid the pavy that we've got. We've managed to lay this far circle, this first circle, and obviously we've still got to lay some of the bits that we've got to cut in here, but we've only got enough to lay not even half the path. It's probably about a third of the path. So as always, we run out of materials rather than energy, so we've got to get some more pavy for that. So that's the stage we're at the moment. The apart from the pool looking filthy dirty, the other circle down the end, we've not even started with that, but it should be a little bit easier to calculate this terrace, how many slabs we've used, because we can physically count them now. So that's where we are. We'll go to the brick and get some more pavy and lay that down, but that's about it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.